there, I'm Kate, and this is DJ, and this is where we live. A year ago, we bought an RV and hit the road in search of an adventure. From the East Coast to the West Coast and all the way to Alaska, we're climbing mountains, sipping suds, paddling rivers, and diving in deep. You can think of us as your adventure concierge. We never say no to a new adventure. We sort through the good.
I think it's amazing.
The bad.
I'm really confused. I have no idea what's going on. This has been the weirdest experience of my life.
And the sometimes downright weird. And we share it all with you right here. So we hope you'll stick around and hit the road with us as we explore and experience what a life of full-time travel is all about. So click that subscribe button and buckle up. It's going to be one hell of a ride.